I'm Shane Delia, chef and restaurant owner at Maha in Melbourne, Maha East out in Windsor, and Biggie Smalls in Collingwood. My fond memories as a child were always having good times around food. Whether it was with my grandparents in their garden picking stuff, or it was with my grandmother in her kitchen cooking, or with my parents in our home, there was always a lot of happy memories around the kitchen. And I think anybody's just drawn to things that make them happy. We try to have a big focus on quality with whatever we're using, whether it's onions or garlic, or even just great local lemons. It's always trying to find the best local produce at its best. The new car I'm driving is the new GLC63 which is a beautiful car, and I've been really fortunate to drive pretty much the whole range of the Mercedes-Benz product, and this is a car that I've just really fallen in love with. You jump in, you drive around, it feels great, it's got lots of power when you need it. Most people choose a car off what they want, and then later on think, is that what I need? And if you could find a car that brings both together, I mean, you're in a happy place. So I wanted to create a dish that has those same characteristics. The dish that I've designed that represents the GLC63 that I'm driving, it's a saffron tagine dish with some chicken kibbe, which is a little chicken and cracked wheat parcel filled with some really nice aromats of coriander and pine nuts and really nice lemon notes. It's something that's packed full of flavour, it's easy to cook, but it's going to leave a long-lasting impression.